Good morning, YouTubes. It's Friday morning and I'm driving to the Hollywood Hills today to get footage of the so-called Hollywood blood drop that's been getting all this attention. I got some ideas of how to get up close, and yeah, let's do it.
This street too, bro.
Oh, that's the worst. So somebody got stabbed up in Hollywood yesterday?
Right.
Like,
I saw this thing, it was like, because you know this at the Super Bowl in Inglewood?
yep.
You're like, damn, I've never seen Inglewood this clean before. It's almost like Inglewood got a girl coming over.
That dude's hip hop right there. Oh, it looks like it's alright. Yeah, I didn't even get my name up on there. But then we did the backside here. Can you get that wall behind right here? Ooh, that one's torn up. So there's the sign. And there's the drop.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's a drippy blood. It's a drippy blood drop. Oh, damn. I could live in a house with a view like that. So there's the drop. I mean, that shit does look like a drop, right? I can't even see it. You can go across here. He knows what he's doing. I'm gonna let him do his thing. I'm gonna come over here. Boom. Got crazy bugs here. Not a lot of people are paying attention to this thing up here. Caption. Doing the YouTube short real quick. So we got the drone up. We're investigating right now. Let's see what's over this hill. We're getting footage that is exclusive here. You only get it here. I wanted to climb up this hill, but yeah, good luck trying to climb this thing. Am I right? Plus, I'm not a young, limber, spry guy anymore. Yeah, I don't know how I would have done it without a drone. Plus, I don't think whoever's house this is would let me in to walk that little trail. Somebody said that's Madonna's house. Yeah. Do you want me to take a picture of you jumping in front of the sign?
I'm good.
Okay. You know, this is the first time I've been up to the fucking Hollywood.
I've never been here before. It's funny, huh?
We came here for the blood drop. You want fruit for breakfast?
No.
You want meat? Oh, that would suck if we got a ticket right now. There was no signs. Oh, don't give me a ticket. Bye.